If you want to make your Photopea background black, there are two easy ways to do it, and I'll show you both so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. The first method is the cleanest and most flexible because it lets you change the background color later without damaging anything in your design. And the second method is perfect if you are just starting a brand new project and want the canvas to begin with a black background right away. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Photopea tips and software tutorials. Now, let's get into it. First, let's look at the recommended method, which is using a solid color adjustment layer. This is the best option because it creates a separate layer for your background, and that means you can always edit it later. To do this, go to the bottom of the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Look for the New Adjustment Layer icon. It looks like a circle split diagonally into black and white. Click that icon, and a pop-up list will appear. From that list, select Color Fill. Once you do that, Photopea will open the color picker. In the color picker, choose black. You can usually just click in the black area or enter the black color value if you prefer. After that, click OK to confirm the selection. Photopea will not create a new color fill layer in your document. Now comes the important part. Drag the new color fill layer all the way to the bottom of your layer stack so it sits underneath all of your other design elements. This is what makes it act like a background instead of covering your text, images, or graphics. If the layer is above your content, it will hide everything else, so make sure it stays at the very bottom. The big advantage of this method is that it is non-destructive. That means if you later decide you want a dark gray background instead of pure black or any other color, you can simply double-click the color fill layer and change it instantly. So if you are working on a logo design, thumbnail, poster, or social media graphic, this is usually the best way to go. Now let's move to the second method, which is useful when you are creating a new project from scratch. If you have not started your project yet, you can set the background color during the initial setup stage. To do that, go up to the top menu and click File, then choose New. This opens the New Document panel, where you can define your canvas before you start working. In the Project Creation panel, look for the Background drop-down menu. It will usually default to white or transparent. Click the drop-down and change it to black. After that, set your canvas dimensions to whatever size you need for your project. You can enter your width and height manually depending on whether you are making a YouTube thumbnail, a banner, a square post, or another design. Once everything looks correct, click Create. And just like that, your new Photopea document will open with a black background already applied. This is a very quick way to start if you know from the beginning that you want a black canvas. So to recap, if you want the most flexible option, use a solid color adjustment layer and place it at the bottom of your layers. If you are starting fresh, use File, New, and set the background drop down to black before creating the document. Both methods work well, but the adjustment layer method is usually the best choice for editing later. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.